Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be a hodgepodge of job leads. We have like email, chat, data entry, some non-phone. We even have some phone customer service, trying to have a little bit of a something for everyone. I'm a little backed up with job leads that I have to share because I took yesterday off. So I'm just trying to throw them all out there and get them to you so you can get those applications in. So of course we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to dive on in. Please just let me know if you like videos like this or job leads like this by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, first up, we have Insight Global. They have 12,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry clerk. Now, pay is over here on the side. It says $17 to $25 an hour is the hourly estimate, but they are basically looking for somebody to obtain, update, and maintain information for their company database and their computer systems. So you're going to insert customer and account data by inputting the text-based and numerical-based information from your source documents into the system within the time limits given. You're going to apply data program techniques and procedures, ensuring that the smooth and efficient processing of large amounts of information and data are done, keeping this information confidential. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who is accurate and great attention to detail, someone who's proficient in typing, has great computer and technical skills, and can be a team player. Now, they're offering remote training and onboarding compatible. This is completely remote compatible. Moving right along, next up we have the company Acorns. Now, when the pandemic started back in 2020, 2021, I saw Acorns blow up on social media when all the stimulus money was coming out. People were talking about investing and saving and using Acorns app as a way to do that. So it is an investment platform that has an app. They have 227 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to do investment operations associate, and it does say this is an option to be remote. But they're basically seeking somebody who is licensed or can become licensed to represent their advisor operations team with their investment operations, building and maintaining customers' trust in Acorn. So you're basically going to do a little bit of customer support, just identifying and addressing customer needs through email while maintaining exceptional customer service. You're going to approve and verify new investment accounts requiring manual review. You're going to assist the customers with executing incoming and outgoing rollovers, transfers, IRA account type changes, and any cost basis requests that the customer has. You're going to process levies, check wires, payments, court orders, or deceased account procedures, just monitoring accounts with suspicious activity to determine the appropriate action needed. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, but again, you've got to have that licensure or ability to obtain that licensure within 6 months of hire. They do want somebody who has 0 to 3 years of investment or financial operations experience, someone who is customer focused, has a strong work ethic, and is flexible with the shifts that they can work. They need somebody who can work some evenings and weekend hours. However, pay for this position is anywhere from $57,000 a year all the way up to $62,000 a year. Well, I don't think Best Buy really needs any introduction. I'm sure we are all aware of the big retail giant. Best Buy, though, is in a bunch of different businesses other than just selling electronic equipment in their brick and mortar stores. They have 37,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote Verizon supervisor. So this might be great if you've ever worked in a cell phone store or mobile store before. And if you've got Verizon experience, well, that would even be a plus. But they're looking for somebody to basically be the supervisor and coordinate the Verizon sales team members in select Best Buy locations. You're going to be responsible for hiring these members, training these members, developing, coaching, and supporting up to 25 people across a multi-state territory. So you are going to have employees that you hire in multiple different states. You'll lead this team to help them meet their key performance goals, facilitating that hiring process, including posting roles out there on the internet for people to apply to. You also have to do the interviewing, host team calls and meetings on a regular schedule, just sharing with your teammates best practices to follow. So you're just going to be their basic supervisor. They're looking for somebody who's 1 year of some kind of leadership experience, somebody who's previous experience in sales, customer service, or related fields. So you don't have to have direct sales experience if you've got that customer service. You've got to be successful in working as a part of a team. And of course, you've got to have a flexibility in your schedule. They're going to need somebody who needs to work weekends, nights, holidays, things like that. But they are paying very well for this position. Minimum pay is $24.01 an hour, and it all goes up to $37.29 an hour. Next up, we have the big appliance giant GE. They have 19,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They did have a regular customer service position last week that I shared, but this week they have a chat email team leader. Again, this is going to be remote. There are in select states, though. They can only hire in about 7-8 different states, so check right here to make sure your state is listed. But they're basically looking for somebody to lead and direct their email chat agents in driving a sales growth culture, meeting and exceeding sales targets, and just motivating, coaching, and training those email chat agents. So you're going to have to be able and willing to assist with consumer needs, including taking calls when necessary to manage unplanned volume shift, achieving goals for the operational manager's productivity guidance, just ensuring that your team is inspired to keep working and exceed their expectations. You'll be responsible for opening and closing the customer service center and provide any coverage during operational hours. You're going to make sure that quality and accuracy of the written correspondence through chat and email from your agents is of quality. So you'll be reviewing that and just having any talks with them, monitoring them, things like that. Now, they are looking for somebody who can be positive and enthusiastic with strong analytical problem-solving skills, someone who has that high level of emotional intelligence. You have a track record of teamwork and team building, and you can quickly assess operational issues and make a plan for them. So you've really got to be like a problem solver. They do want somebody who has knowledge and skills normally acquired through a 4-year degree. So it looks like they prefer a 4-year degree, but if you've got the experience and the skills, they don't say they require it. It looks like they'll take that experience over the degree. Of course, you got to work with computers like Word, PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, all those Microsoft Office systems. Now, unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. If you're interested in healthcare positions, next up we have the company Eden Health. Now, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your information. Eden Health only has 37 reviews, and they do have a lower score out of those 37 reviews, coming in at 2.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a clinical quality associate. So they're looking for somebody to execute on the population health program by engaging with the patients who have clinical quality needs using standardized scripts and individual knowledge. So you use a little bit of your own knowledge, but they will give you some scripts and things to read off of, so you're not flying by the seat of your pants. You'll have to review the charts of the patients with gaps in care to see if the gaps can be closed through existing documentation or giving providers feedback regarding that documentation to improve further documentation as needed. You're going to ensure that the patient's medical records regarding their clinical quality gaps from different outside providers are received and documented in the electronic health record system. Engage with the patients through messaging, next steps, and phone calls to make sure that you have all of the records, all of their information, and close any gaps in the system within their information. So their medical records needs to be up to date. They're looking for somebody who has previously worked 1 to 2 years in a patient-facing role, someone who's a self-starter, is high level of problem-solving and creative thinking skills. You've got to have great communication skills, and you've got to have that basic knowledge with Microsoft Excel, like how to do pivot tables, conditional formatting, things like that. And they want somebody who will just be dedicated in serving the patients and helping the patients improve their health. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $49,600 a year all the way up to $62,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.